Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. Thanks so much for being here and joining me today. If you guys have been following me since I started posting, then you know that I was recently pregnant, but a little over 2 weeks ago, I actually had our baby and we were waiting to find out the gender. So she is a baby girl. So what I wanted to do, this is just me kind of postpartum. I think it was about a week postpartum when I filmed this video. But I just want to continue to make relatable content, keeping a nice, clean, organized home. I know that's going to look different now that I am a mom. I am a stay-at-home mom. I'm going to be a stay-at-home mom. I feel like now is typically when I would be on my maternity leave. I do have my husband home with me for about a month, which is really nice. But yeah, so in today's video, this is just me, like I said, just kind of maintaining a clean home. I wanted to wash our bedding. I just felt that it was about time, and that's exactly what I'm doing here, just kind of taking all of the covers and sheets off of our bed and then tidying up our bedroom. That way, when we do go down for sleep, it's just nice and clean and we don't have to worry about it. Also, you may hear my daughter fuss in the background as I do this voice recording. So as you can see in this clip and then a little bit earlier, I am just using regular Shout stain remover just anywhere on our sheets. I also used it on our duvet cover. I was sorry, my voice. I was noticing that there was a lot of like brown marks and stuff on our bed covers and I couldn't figure out what it was. And then I looked over at my little Morkie and I was like, of course, it's just mud. So you may have noticed that I was just spraying some stain remover as well. I find that the Shout works extremely well, and then I just do like a regular wash cycle in addition to that. So I don't know about you guys, but I feel like our nightstands, especially my nightstand more so than my husband's, can kind of fill up quickly. So I like to just kind of stay organized when I can. Oh, my sweet daughter. Sorry, she's, like I said, she's with me while I do this voice recording. But I like to just kind of keep things organized in my pull-out drawer and just kind of find homes for everything. So that's what I'm doing right here, is just making sure that everything is going back to its proper home. I even have some of my daughter's little booties here that I'm later going to bring out to the living room. We have 2 little bins or baskets that we kind of keep all of her things in, like burp cloths, clothes. I have all of her burp cloths and clothes in one basket with some swaddles. And then in another basket, I have things like socks, booties, little hand mitts, and then extra little things that we may need. So that's like my number one hack for being a mom, is just using baskets all around your house to put things in, whether it's burp cloths, blankets. It just kind of makes me feel more organized, and it's just easier to find things too and just like grab them as you need them. So getting back to the bedroom, I'm just going in with my Thieves cleaner here on my nightstand. I like using Thieves, especially now having a baby. I feel like I want to be really careful. I still wash my hands after like cleaning and using Thieves because I just like don't want to touch her and after I'm touching cleaning products. I don't know. Maybe I'm being a little bit extra paranoid, but I do feel a little bit better using this Thieves cleaner now that we have a newborn. I feel like for anybody, owning a Roomba is just kind of like a necessity just to kind of maintain a clean home. But especially now having a newborn, I just find that it's so much easier just to let Roomba go and do its thing. I feel like the house is a little bit more put together. I've been doing it a lot in the living room. I feel like we've been living in our living room for the past few weeks. But yeah, definitely like using Roomba to our advantage is something that I'm going to be doing a lot moving forward, especially since we have a little one now at home. So in these clips, our kitchen wasn't super messy. We didn't have a ton of dishes in the sink. Similar to if you see my previous videos when I was just prepping for our daughter to come. I just feel like I'm just trying to stay on top of things and maintain it. So I do a lot of quick cleanups, probably like once or twice a day throughout the house, especially with like bottles. Like I try to wash bottles. Honestly, like if there's one or two in the sink, I like to just get them washed and dried and ready to go. That way, it just helps me and my husband out so much instead of like letting it accumulate. We don't want that to happen, especially if our daughter gets hungry. We want to make sure that we have bottles clean and ready to go. So you may be looking at this thinking, Ashley, your house isn't, that messy, but just keep in mind, since we've come home from the hospital, it makes us feel a lot better to just kind of maintain and stay on top of things. I would love eventually to get back to my deep cleaning, but for right now, just doing what I can to maintain a clean home, staying on top of laundry for our daughter, staying on top of laundry for myself and my husband, staying on top of dishes when we can. It just makes not only me, but my husband, it makes both of us feel a lot better. So yeah, definitely give yourself the grace if you're also a first-time mom, you're navigating life with a newborn. I'm here to support you in that. And, if you don't get to something right away, that's okay. It'll still be there. And same thing with like the deep cleaning. I think that's why it's so good that, we get in these like nesting modes before our babies come, because now I feel like relaxed. I know that I already deep cleaned so many parts of the house and so many random things. I mean, I was in the shower and I was looking up at our fan in the bathroom, and that's one thing that I cleaned before going into labor. And I'm just like, you know what? Thank gosh I did that, because who knows when the next time will be that I have the chance to do that. So yeah, sorry, I ranted a lot towards the end of this video, but thank you guys so much for being here. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below how you came across this channel. And I'm so excited for you to join this community. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.